Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Go in Freelance, Building and Branding Your Own Success. Lecture 2. Defining your freelance business. Identifying your skills, expertise, and passions. Defining your freelance services and offerings. Understand your target market and ideal clients. Developing a unique value proposition. Setting goals for your freelance business. Defining your freelance business. Welcome to the world of freelancing. As a freelancer, you have the freedom to work on your own terms and pursue projects that align with your skills and passions. However, before you dive into the exciting world of freelancing, it's important to define your business. Defining your freelance business means identifying your services, understanding your target market, and developing a unique value proposition. This process may seem daunting, but it's essential for building a successful freelance career. By defining your business, you'll be able to attract the right clients, set achievable goals, and differentiate yourself from the competition. Identifying your skills, expertise, and passions. As a freelancer, it's important to identify your unique set of skills, expertise, and passions. This will allow you to offer services that align with your strengths and interests, making it easier to attract clients and stand out from the competition. Take some time to reflect on what you're good at, what you enjoy doing, and what sets you apart from others in your field. Consider your past experiences, education, and training to identify your areas of expertise. By understanding your skills, expertise, and passions, you can create a niche for yourself and develop a brand that resonates with your ideal clients. Defining your freelance services and offerings. Defining your freelance services and offerings is a crucial step in establishing yourself as a successful freelancer. It requires a deep understanding of your skills, expertise, and passions, and how they can be translated into valuable services for clients. To start defining your services and offerings, begin by taking inventory of your strengths and areas of expertise. Consider what you enjoy doing and what you're good at, and how these skills can be applied to solve problems for potential clients. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and explore. Explore new opportunities that align with your passions. Understanding your target market and ideal clients. Understanding your target market and ideal clients is crucial for the success of your freelance business. By identifying who your ideal clients are, you can tailor your services to meet their specific needs and preferences. This will not only help you attract more clients, but also increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. To identify your target market and ideal clients, start by researching your industry and niche. Look for trends and patterns in consumer behavior and preferences. You can also conduct surveys and interviews with potential clients to gain insights into their needs and pain points. Once you have a clear understanding of your target market, create buyer personas that represent your ideal clients. These personas should include demographic information as well as their goals, challenges, and motivations. Developing a unique value proposition. A unique value proposition is a statement that sets you apart from your competitors and clearly communicates the benefits of working with you. It's important to develop a strong value proposition because it helps potential clients understand why they should choose you over other freelancers in your field. To develop your unique value proposition, start by identifying what makes you different from your competition. Consider your skills, experience, and personal qualities that set you apart. Then, think about the needs and desires of your target market and how you can meet those needs better than anyone else. Finally, craft a clear and concise statement that communicates your unique value to potential clients. Setting goals for your freelance business. As a freelancer, setting goals is essential for achieving success. Without clear objectives, it can be difficult to measure progress or know what steps to take next. When setting goals, it's important to make them specific, measurable, and achievable. This means defining exactly what you want to achieve, establishing metrics for measuring your progress, and ensuring that the goals are realistic and within reach. One effective approach is to break down larger goals into smaller, More manageable ones, for example, if your goal is to increase your client base. You might start by setting a goal to attend 3 networking events per month or to reach out to 5 potential clients each week. By breaking down larger goals into smaller actions, you can stay focused and motivated and track your progress along the way. Conclusion of freelance business. In conclusion, defining your freelance business is a crucial step towards establishing a successful and sustainable career by clearly identifying your niche, target market, services, and brand. You can position yourself as an expert and attract the right clients. A well-defined business also allows you to set realistic goals, create effective marketing strategies, and develop a strong online presence. When defining your freelance business, take the time to assess your skills, interests, and passions. Determine the specific services you want to offer based on your expertise and the market demand. Conduct market research to understand your target audience, their needs, and how you can differentiate yourself from competitors. Craft a strong brand identity that reflects your professionalism and unique value proposition. This includes designing a logo, creating a website, and establishing consistent visual and verbal communication across all platforms. Your brand should resonate with your target market and convey the quality and reliability of your services. Consider developing a pricing strategy that aligns with you, experience, market rates, and the value you provide. This may involve charging an hourly rate, offering package deals, or implementing a tiered pricing structure. Be sure to factor in your expenses, such as taxes, software subscriptions, and marketing costs, to ensure your pricing is profitable. Networking and building relationships with potential clients and industry peers is essential for freelancers.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.